Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, we are from the PBL 43 team and the title project Fast Parking System. With the manager project, Mr. Zulkifli Maresty. My name is Nawa Zulida Putri as leader.
My name is Maria Radosi.
My name is Tistiara Susti.
And my name is Berhalima.
Okay, we will to explain final exam project. Next, I will explain about general description fast parking system. Fast parking system is a modern technological innovation can make it easier for driver to make parking transaction. The fast parking system application can minimize the occurrence because the cost incurred for parking have been determined according to admin provision. The fast parking system is an application we have to install admin and parking attendant, where the admin is tasked with managing data and parking attendant income, while the parking attendant can access and check his income daily to only find out the number of the employee park and can access the keys barcode. The driver only need to scan the keys into the parking attendant barcode and the balance will automatically be deducted according to the cost of the patient. And this is picture of diagram architecture fast parking system. And next slide, functional and non-functional requirements will be continued by my colleague.
Functional and non-functional requirements. Functional requirements. The first, user can log in, user can register, user can log out, the system can set parking attendant data, the system can display the application numbers on user access right, the system can display parking attendant income report daily to monthly, the system can display the detailed parking attendant income location flow, parking attendant can access the respective QR barcode, user can find out the number of vehicles parked at each location, and the last, the system can display the parking attendant profile. For non-functional requirements, availability. The application must be available around the clock every time with minimum downtime for maintenance. Performance. The application must have a fast response time to find a parking space and make reservation. Security. The application must have a fast response time to find a parking space and perform. The first, user data must be encrypted and well protected. The second, protection against cyber attacks such as SQL injection or DDoS attacks must be enforced. Accuracy, the information provided in search and reservation shall be uploaded and updated regularly. Compatibility, the application must be able to integrate with the third-party system such as parking payment system. Usability, the first, the user interface shall be user-friendly and easy to use. The second, the application shall be well accessible through various devices and platforms. Privacy policy, the application must comply with applicable data privacy regulation, and the privacy policy must be clearly. And the last, efficiency. The process of a user opening an article or document to read until the system output or display article lasting no more than 10 seconds. Use case diagram. We have two actors. The first actor, admin. To admin can use login, admin can use logout, admin can use add account, delete account, recap the revenue report, view revenue mutation detail, create QR barcode, and the last, view profile. To parking attendant can use login, can use logout, can use view revenue report, view revenue mutation detail, access QR barcode, and the last, view profile. User research. This is leading questionnaire. For design thinking, using the design define phase and idiot phase. For ER diagram, can use explained by Nora.
And next slide, ER diagram fast parking system. The ER diagram fast parking system have three entities. First, entity user, second entity location, and the last entity transaction. Next slide is relation scheme. Relation scheme fast parking system have three tables. First table transaction, second table user, and the last table location. Relation scheme fast parking system have a relationship and have a data type. Next slide. Sequence diagram fast parking system. Sequence diagram fast parking system, which is to clarify the interaction between the driver, parking attendant, system, and admin in sequential order. Next slide, design interface will be continued by my colleague.
Well, here I will explain about our interface design of our project fast parking system. First, there is admin view. According to our Figma design, admin user has 5 features. There is a login page that admin can log out and log in, and homepage. There are a homepage 1 and homepage 2, and then add account. There are add account 1 and add account 2, and then wallet 1 and wallet 2, and the last one is profile features. Next, there is a parking attendant view. In parking attendant view, have 5 features too. First is login page, and parking attendant can log in and log out. And then a homepage, there are a homepage 1 and homepage 2. And QR barcode, and then a wallet, and the last one is profile. Mobile implementation. In mobile implementation, we have backend and frontend. In backend, we use JavaScript as our programming language and Express.js as a framework, and Course.js, JSON Web Token, MySQL2, and QR code as our package. And in the frontend, we use Dart and C++ as a programming language and Flutter as a framework. And this is a view of our source code of our backend project. Next, for source code of front-end will explained by my team, Nur Halimah.
Okay, next for the source code front-end, we have that created. Next, for the API, we use API type RESTful API. Next, database. For the database, we use the MySQL. That's a table. Next, GitHub project. For the GitHub project, we have 2 open repositories. It's backend and mobile. Next, for division of PBL tasks, Naura Zolinda is ARD and relation scheme, front end and back end, Figma design manual book, AKI document, and logbook. For the Magdalena Pardosi, RPT design thinking, Figma and wireframe design, use case scenario, front end and back end, poster and logo. For Destia Togi, user research questionnaire, requirement analysis, use case diagram, front end, poster, report in Indonesian language. For myself, it's Nur Halimah, Figma design, front end, and report in English language. Project achievement. What's missing? 1. Project display is not 100% unique. 2. There are still some minor debugs. 3. The wallet feature cannot yet display expense. 4. Wallet feature does not yet show a record of the total money in the wallet. What we have done. 1. Feature for user is available. 2. Can display real-time income data. 3. User-friendly feature. 4. Products are already integrated with database. As of AAS, the project has reached 95% of the initial target as there are still some shortcomings that need to be resolved.
So, this is the result of the PBL project and thank you your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.